Hello. In our recent engagements, we've seen a clear trend. 2 out of every 3 companies have already rolled out, or at least experimented with, Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. But adoption isn't just about switching it on, it's about sophistication and scale. If you are a CXO or infrastructure lead in an organization that hasn't yet adopted RAG, or if you're facing challenges scaling it, this message is for you. This is the first in a series of videos designed to get your organization fully operational on Level 1 and Level 2 AI autonomy today, so you are prepared for the Level 3 and 4 full autonomy arriving between 2026 and 2028. First, let's talk strategy. For the C-suite, RAG isn't just a technical feature, it's a core architectural pillar. Here is what you must be cognizant of. Core architecture. Are you building for scale with a specialized vector database like Weave8 or leveraging your existing cloud infrastructure? And crucially, don't rely on vector search alone. Hybrid search is the industry best practice for accuracy. Data strategy. How you process data matters. Simple fixed-size chunking is fast but risky. Moving towards semantic or agentic chunking yields better context, though it costs more upfront. You have to balance cost against quality. Governance and quality. You need rigorous benchmarks. Don't just trust the model. Implement specific metrics for faithfulness and relevancy to control hallucinations. This is non-negotiable for enterprise deployment. Finally, future-proofing. We are moving from static RAG to agentic RAG. Ensure your architecture is modular enough to support router agents and multi-step workflows. This is the bridge to that Level 4 autonomy we discussed. Now, for the infrastructure leads who have to build and maintain this, your focus shifts from what to how, storage and scale. You need a solid strategy for horizontal sharding as you scale to billions of vectors. Decide early on real-time versus batch indexing to manage your data freshness. Performance. Latency is the enemy. Budget your latency carefully. A bi-encoder is fast for a first pass, but you may need a cross-encoder for precision re-ranking. Caching is your best friend here. Use semantic caching to reduce load. Security. This is critical. You must enforce access control at the document level. Ensure the LLM only sees what the specific user is allowed to see, and always sanitize inputs to prevent prompt injection attacks. Observability. You can't fix what you can't measure. Implement tracing with tools like Langsmith. Use LLM as a judge to automate evaluation. You need automated alerts for hallucination detection before your users find them. Let's quickly recap the core RAG flow to ensure we are all aligned on the terminology. It starts with ingestion. We chunk your data strategically and embed it into a vector database. Then retrieval. We don't just search, we use hybrid modes, combining keyword and semantic search, and refine results with re-ranking to find the absolute best context. We then move to generation. The LLM synthesizes an answer using that retrieved context. And remember, we are evolving towards advanced techniques, like GraphRag for deeper connections, and agentic workflows, where router engines decide the best path for every single query. RAG is complex, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. This post includes a link to our comprehensive technical guide. It covers everything we discussed, plus a detailed comparison of vector databases, how they stack up on cost, performance, and scale. We also included a link to a specialized course. It is designed for your cloud or AI engineer to go through in just one afternoon, equipping them to handle your organization's RAG needs effectively. Let's get your infrastructure ready for the autonomous future. Thank you.